I made $32.74 from this platform, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Make sure you stay with me to the end of this video, as I'll be revealing the name of the website and how you can do it. The link will also be on my description and on the comment section. You can click on it and join immediately, okay? So when you click the link on my comment section, it's going to bring you to this place. Let's say it says put cash in your wallet during your free time, get paid by keeping your eyes watching new offers and services from advertisements companies during your spare time. So you can do this during your spare time, okay? So let's go forward and see. It says earn for your regular online activities, build your profile, solve ads, and get paid, okay? Discover multiple reward options, okay? So this reward options you are seeing here, this is not the only way you can get paid out, okay? You can also get paid through your bank transfer, so don't be worried if you don't have paper and all these other ones. There are also different other um ways you can also earn from this platform. So let's click on get started. So when you click the link on my description, it's going to bring you here. Type in your name, type in your name, type in your email, type in your password, and click on create password, create accounts. Once you create an account, they are going to give you free $7. Rush in and do this right now. They're going to give you free $7, okay? Once you get your free $7, you're going to see all the offers you can take. This is a daily offer. Every day they're going to be giving you new offers every day. So once you complete the one for the day, wait for the next day for another offer to come up. And also, these are not the only ways you can earn. There's also other ways you can earn from here. I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's take one offer and see how it works. When you click on take offer, it's going to bring you to the offer page. Make sure you wait till the offer is complete. Click on complete and you're going to earn your money. You can see you have successfully earned 0.53 for just completing this offer. Okay, so let's take another offer. Click on take offer. You can see the offer is going, this green line that is loading. Wait for it to finish loading, and then once it finish loading, you can see the green line down. Okay, just stay on this page and wait for it to finish loading. Once it finishes loading, you are going to click on complete. All right, click on complete. It's going to take you back to your page. So you can see you have successfully earned 0.46. All right, so this is basically how this works. Continue taking the offers and make sure you complete all the offers that you have there. Excuse me. Make sure you complete all the offers that you have there. You can see my green arrow is loading. Okay, you can see complete. I'll click on complete. It has completed. I've earned this amount. All right, let's keep going. Let me show you more. So this is basically how you earn. Make sure you complete all your offers. Let's take more. Let's take more. So pay attention so that you not miss your your earning. Pay attention. So once you are here, make sure you wait on this page. Wait for the green thing to finish loading, and then click on complete to take you back to your page. Once it take you back here, see you have successfully earned, they will tell you the amount you've earned. Okay, so this is basically how you complete your tax. So once you are done with the tax you have for the day, all right, you go and then come back the next day to also complete the tax. So there are other ways you can also earn from this platform. Okay, so let's go down and see extra earning opportunity. Okay, this particular one I earn, I think I earn $1 plus from this particular one just for completing my profile. So you can also earn from that one. I've already done that one. Okay, so there are also other ways you can earn from this. See, okay, see extra earning opportunity. Let's take this one, and you can see I will earn $1.86 just for completing this survey. Okay, let's click on take survey. It's going to take us to the survey site. Okay, this is the a survey site. Once you're in this survey site, okay, just start taking the surveys. You answer the survey questions that you have there. Okay, so let's answer the survey questions. So at the end of answering the survey question, you're going to click on complete and then submit it, and you earn your money. Okay, so if you are finding value on this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I have a link on my bio that will take you to my Telegram group for more question, if you want to ask me a question, if you have anything to ask me, click the link on my bio, join my Telegram group. Okay, so as we keep answering the survey questions, take out your time and subscribe and like this video. Click the link on the description. It will take you to this site where you start completing your task. Okay, so right now I'm done answering the survey. I'm going to click on submit survey. Once I submit survey, can you see you have successfully earned $1.86? So I've earned it. Can you see my money have increased to 28.74? When we started, I have only $7 that they gave me. So right now I have that 28.7. Okay, so these other ways you can earn. Right now I don't have any more offer here, right? But when I joined, I actually had like 50, but right now I don't have any other one. When you click on this unlock your reward, that's where you can get this. Okay, for you to get more offers. Okay, so let me show you also how you can also earn more. When you click on these three dashes here, it's going to take you here. Okay, when you click on high offer, can you see high offer? Click on high offer. In that high offer, you can still see other offers there. You can still see other offers you can take there and earn money. Right now I do not have any. Okay, get paid as high as $10, helping partners grow. Okay, right now I don't have any offer there. I've actually completed my own offer. Okay, you can click on challenges also. You say complete 30 steps by watching Miss advertising website. Okay, I'm going to earn $3 once I do that one. So I've already completed that one and I earned $3. Okay, go ahead and scroll down and see other ones they want you to do there, and then once you do it, you are going to earn the amount they said there. All right, so this is basically how you earn money from this platform, Payrib. The name of this platform is Payrib. Payrib is the name of the platform. So go ahead, click the link on my description. It will take you there. So let's check out the payout options. All right, so I'm going to click on payout options so that I can show you different ways you can get paid. Click on payout option. Can you see you can get paid through bank transfer? All right, once you have $100, which is very possible for you to get it under 1 week, 3 days, you can get it. Okay, click on bank transfer. Click on, it say connect your bank account. Once you connect your bank account, you can redeem your money. All right, you have this Venus, you have this USDT, which I like very well. I like using USDT. Okay, once you have your $100, connect your TRC20 here and they will send your money to your USDT account. Okay, you can use Cash App, you can use Pix transfer, you can use PayPal. PayPal is also very good, but if you don't have PayPal, you're in a country that don't recognize PayPal, you can always use your bank transfer and USDT, which is very good. Okay, so basically this is how this app will work. Okay, you are going to like this one, so go ahead and start making use of this app. Use the link on the description, log in and start making money. Okay, there are also different ways you can still make money on this app. You can see from here I have to wait like 18 hours before they are going to give me another offer because I've completed my own offer for the day. Okay, so but if you still want to earn more, you can also use referral. If you have friends, you can still refer your friends. When you refer your friends, you're still going to earn more. Okay, let me show you what you're going to earn. Okay, so here you said you earn $1 when your friend starts earning on Payrib. Okay, and your friends get $7 bonus upon registration. So once your friend registers, it's going to get $7 bonus. Okay, so start earning now.